Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently sprained your ankle and you're wondering how to recover quickly and safely at home, you're in the right place. In today's video, I am breaking down exactly what to do, step by step, to rehab your ankle and get back on your feet literally. So, whether it is from a bad step, a fall, or a sports injury, ankle sprain are super common. But the right care, they don't have to drag on for weeks. Next come to the treatment. So in first 48 hours use rice method. Rice is a mnemonic of rest, ice compression and elevation. In rest you may avoid walking on ankle as much as possible. Apply ice packs for the first 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Use an elastic bandage or a compression wrap. And in elevation keep your ankle elevated above the heart level. So this will helps you to reduce swelling and inflammation, which is a key to starting the healing process, right? Now next comes to the phase 2, gentle movement. Once the swelling starts going down, usually after a couple of days, then it's time to gently reintroduce motion. No hardcore workouts yet. The first is ankle alphabet. Pretend your big toe is a pen and trace the alphabet in air. This is great for mobility. Then comes to towel stretches. Wrap a towel around the ball of your foot and gently pull towards you. The third is toe curls. Pick up a tall or small object with your toes to activate the small muscles. Then comes to the phase 3, that is strengthening phase. Now in this phase that the pain is mostly gone, it's time to get your strength and balance back. So the first exercise is calf raises. Hold on to a chair and lift your heels slowly, then lower down. The second is resistance band training. Now use a band to add resistance while pushing or pulling your foot in all the directions. The third one is balance work. Try standing on one foot for 30 seconds, then progress to standing on a pillow or with eyes closed. Don't rush this stage. Strong, stable ankles help prevent future injuries. There always a question that when to see a doctor. Now, if your pain is severe, you can't put any weight on it after 3 days or the swelling just won't go down. Go to see a doc. Some sprains are actually fractures in disguise. So yeah, there you have it. Rest, ice, gentle movement and then strengthening. Stick with it and be patient. Your ankle will thank you. Stay strong, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share this to your loved ones.